So here's the passenger side. We haven't touched this side yet. This feels like that feels like sandpaper. That's how bad that is. I mean, it's awful. But if you poured water on there, you'd see water just staying on it. Come over here to the side that we just did, and there is no comparison. That is like brand new. That is the bomb. We're starting with what grade again? 320. All right, we got the driver's side all taped off, and it looks like Manuki. We hit it with some 320. Woo. See him doing this. Okay, we've gotten the driver's side done, and we're jumping up to the 800 grit. 800 time. Well, we're up to wet sanding already. It is just, the second side is just flying. So we got it all nice and scuffed up. I'm going to wet sand. There's the 1200. Arr, biceps are feeling that.
That was 1,000.
Oh, it's 1,000. So my biceps are going to feel it even more in a minute here. Hans and Franz, we're here to pump you up. Now I'm going to do 1,200, right? And alright, the 3,000 was just done. And my arms appreciated the fact that it was a DA. Alright, so we're going to get the buff and stuff out now. Now me. There's a science to this. You have to do this exact same design, otherwise your headlights will not turn out correctly. Years of schooling have been performed. There's the goopy stuff. And the wheels go round and round. And that's where we're at. That turned out nice. And we're not even done yet. We've got a lot more to go. Button. Alright. Same as last one, right?
Yep.
Alright. Rub-a-dubby. That sounds like something right out of Sesame Street. More hand rubbing. How are we looking? Dang. Dang, doubly ding, ding, dong, dang. I mean, you couldn't even see to the top of that earlier.
I know.
It was just so nasty. So we've got the truck back at the house, and we cleaned up the headlights. This is the finished product. I'll tell you what, $500 for a new set of headlights, and I spent a couple hours, and you know, I gave the guy a couple bucks for borrowing his shop. But man, this is smooth as silk, and it is clean and clear. I just cannot believe how nice that turned out. Now, what he told us to do was to wax this. Now let's come on over here. I'm already out here and I'm working on this. This is what we got. Getting a light here. I got the Mother's Carnauba wax, step 3, which is just pure carnauba, and it's yeah, we just did the Mustang today too, so we got this all cleaned up. So the Mustang is done, and we just waxed the whole entire truck and we put that on the headlights. So I'm real happy. You know, I saved myself $500 today. $500. I don't know about you people, but in this economy, 500 bucks is a ton of money. A ton of money. So, those headlights look awesome. And as long as the guy told me, as long as I put this on once a month, I'll never have a problem with these headlights. So, real happy. Happier than I was in a long time. Carnauba wax. So here's where the brush guard sits. We have the side pieces, the middle bar. This is the front piece. I got the KC daylighters in the front seat. So we're gonna sand this down and we're gonna shoot it black with that VHT roll bar and chassis paint that we've used on the truck. And Scott's Metalwork is he's welding up some brackets. We're going to mount that on the front of this truck. And you've already seen the headlights. Had the headlights done the other day. So we're going to just deck this truck out, and then we're going to do the leveling kit. Haven't quite figured out what company we're going to order it from. And then we're going to go ahead and order the Glow Shift triple gauge package. Now we're going to put that inside here. Do the Glow Shift gauge package. Order those up, and trying to sell these. We got a set of 32-inch Terra grapplers on here. We'll sell those and try to get ourselves a set of 35 inches, and get this truck up in the air a little bit.